Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be practicing using the preterite in Spanish. You'll want to know how to conjugate regular verbs in the preterite as well as car, gar, zar verbs. I'll put links in the description of the video to videos on those topics if you need them. There will also be a link to this quiz in the description of the video. So what I would suggest you do if you want to really quiz yourself is open up this quiz, take it, see how you do, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and explain all of the answers right now. Your quiz will be different than mine because I have it set up to shuffle the questions, so you might have to jump around a little bit if you get something wrong. But here come the answers. All right. So we got los turistas with ver is going to be vieron, like that. So they saw the movie in Spanish. Mis amigos descubrieron. My friends discovered the money in the car, so that one says. Yo compartí. I have accent mark on that I right there. I shared my lunch with Rosario. That's what that one says. Yo saqué la tarea de mi mochila cuando entré a la clase. I took my homework out I took the homework out of my backpack when I entered the class. Yo jugué al baloncesto con mis amigos. We gotta put that U right there to maintain the g sound of jugar, because without the U, it would be pronounced jugué, and we want to keep that jugar sound. Nosotros miramos la televisión anoche. We watched TV last night. Los profesores y yo, sorry, I can zoom in a little bit here. Los profesores y yo discutimos las instrucciones. We argued about the instructions before class. Tú viviste en México por 5 años. You lived in Mexico for 5 years. Tú bailaste en la reunión. You danced at the reunion. Tú bebiste mucho después de correr. You drank a lot after running. Él tocó la guitarra con la banda. Accent mark on that O right there. Without that accent mark, it would be toco, which is I play in the present tense. So we gotta make sure we have that toco accent mark. Yo comí, accent mark on that I. I ate tacos at the taco restaurant. Mi familia y yo vendimos nuestro carro. We sold our car last week. Ellas pasearon en bicicleta en el parque. They rode bikes at the park. El piloto trabajó ayer. The pilot worked yesterday. Again, the accent mark on that O, because without it, it is trabajo, and that means I work. Ella caminó en la playa. She walked at the beach. Again, accent mark. Last one. Yo empecé a trabajar por la noche. So empezar is a zar verb, and those ones in the yo form only. The Z changes to a C. Don't forget the accent mark. All right, let's see how we did. All right, 17 out of 17. If you guys have questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Hasta luego.